Okay, what you're going to need is a paintbrush, some craft glue, a wooden dowel, some floral tape, a marker or sharp pen or pencil, some pink or yellow or Easter themed colored craft foam as well as green, a flower and a leaf tracing or cutout or stencil, a pair of scissors, and of course your glue gun with extra glue sticks. First, wrap your wooden dowel in the floral tape from the top to the bottom. Okay, now trace and cut out 2 flower designs, then trace and cut out 2 leaf designs. After that, glue 2 leaves at the bottom of both flowers. Okay, now just take your glue gun, glue right in the spot you're going to put your wooden dowel in and on the sides so you can get the wooden dowel and both of the flowers to stick together. Thanks for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below. For updates and more, follow me on Instagram, G+, and Twitter at MissStarTv. Also, we are now on Patreon, so your support is needed and it will be appreciated. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye.